A smoking billboard had heads turning on Minnesota Avenue and 33rd. Avera's newest campaign to raise awareness about the importance of knowing what to do in emergency did just that.
What should be more attention getting, however, is the story behind the sign. Their stories can be found on a new Avera website, whyimalive.com, along with information that can help you and your family plan for an emergency.
In an emergency, there's already enough things to worry about, so if you've had a chance to talk about it, it's maybe not going to be as scary when you have to make those decisions again.
It is Colorectal Cancer Awareness Month, and one local hospital calls on local artists to help spread the word.
How these sculptures can teach you about your health.
Southeast Missouri Hospital sponsored the contest.
Students were told to come up with creative ideas to illustrate just how cancer affects all of us.
People were coming by, and instead of just looking at a sign or something, they actually saw people doing stuff, and they were actually thinking about, hey, maybe I need to go get checked out. Maybe I need to start thinking about taking better care of myself, and that's why I was really happy what happened today.
Now, it may seem unusual that when you walk into the Sunshine Food stores, you're going to see washer and dryer, but Carl's partnered with Sunshine and the Avera Heart Hospital to bring awareness about women and heart disease. It's just one more way the Avera Heart Hospital is trying to bring attention to what matters.
It looked as if it would be another record-setting year, but then in mid-May, the shaken baby cases stopped.
How a group blanketed southeast Wisconsin to help get the word out on how deadly it is to shake a baby.
Why Milwaukee's airwaves featured a screaming baby for a full minute.
So we targeted hardware stores and put stickers just like these on 20 different items.
Organizers hope men read these stickers and do as it says.
Diseases once thought to be long gone are resurfacing in children.
That has spawned a campaign to get Milwaukee kids protected through immunization.
This billboard is nothing if not eye-catching, which means it's doing exactly what it's designed to do.
It is a upfront and somewhat whimsical way of getting parents and caregivers' attention that immunized babies are stronger babies.
It is the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths in men.
And September is Prostate Awareness Month.
To have a digital rectal exam along with a PSA screen.
It takes about 2.5 seconds to complete the entire procedure once you start.
And most of the men who have it done will say, why didn't I have it sooner?
Matter of fact, the doctor's doing the procedure right now, and it's not really painful at all.
That was it. We have a winner.
And I just hit it. Not uncomfortable at all.
Yeah. I can't believe that people wouldn't do this for the people that love them in their lives.
What are you more afraid of, getting a prostate exam or getting prostate cancer?
And this month throughout the Avera campus, there are free prostate screenings. Just call 1-877-AVERA to make your appointment.